You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy.
Hey everyone, how are you all, and welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be really interesting because today I will be talking about face shaving. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of questions about face shaving, and I too had when at some point of time when I wanted to try face shaving. So I'm not wearing any makeup today, so I might look a little weird to you, but yeah. The first time I shaved my face was before starting my YouTube channel, and I did that because I wanted to start a YouTube channel purely based on makeup and beauty. And also when I used to do my makeup, this part of my face used to look really pale due to this hair, and my hair was so thick. I was also confused like every one of you out there, because it's really confusing if you have a lot of questions in your mind, but then I finally did it, and it is really not difficult, guys. It's a very inexpensive method to just get rid of your facial hair, and yeah, trust me guys, you will be really happy after trying it. So in this video I will be showing you all my face shaving routine, and also I will be answering some of the most common questions about face shaving. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and the bell notification on for more videos. So the first thing I do is I just wash my face just to get rid of all the dirt on my face, and if there is any extra makeup, so that it doesn't settle into your razor. So I will be using the Good Vibes Peach Nourishing Face Wash. If you have not yet watched my video on face and body skincare products, then please do watch it. I will leave the link in the description below. The next thing I usually do is I use a toner, and I just take it in a cotton pad. So I will just spray it on this. Even after washing your face, there can be dirt on your face, so I'm just clearing out all that. So after this, I will be applying a serum. So I will be using the Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 serum. You can use any facial oil you have, or you can use aloe vera gel if you are an oily skin type. So I just do this step only because after shaving, I just want a very smooth finish. See that you apply a good amount of serum or anything you use, okay, so that it glides on really smoothly. So the next thing is the main part, that is shaving. You have to just pull your skin a little bit up, okay, and you have to keep it slightly parallel, not completely, and just drag it down. Now I'm going to shave in the direction of my hair growth, that is downwards. A lot of YouTubers say that you have to keep your razor in a 45 degrees angle. So what they mean is that now this is your 90 degrees. So this is perpendicular to your face. Now half of this is 45, so it's this much, and then you have to just do it very slowly and precisely. You can shave this part. Just make sure that you do not shave the whole thing so that it looks very unnatural. So yeah. So then for your upper lip, so when I'm shaving, I will go in the downward direction. When I'm shaving here, I will go in the upward. Here I will go inward. So whatever you do, you have to shave in one direction so that your hair growth does not come from all the directions. Once you try it, it will be really easy for you. So next I will be going down to my chin and my neck as well, because I have hair over here. Now this is completely optional. If you do not want it, you can skip, you can totally skip it. But I do it because I just want to get rid of this hair as well. And I will just pull this up, okay, and then shave downwards. Okay, so the next thing I do is I use a toner again and just clear out all the hair on my face, which I have just shaved. You will not see much difference because my hair growth was really less, but my skin feels really smooth, and It feels really clean as well. But I just wanted to share with you guys this routine. Following this routine has given me a very clear skin, and I do not have any side effects of this. So we'll move on to the questions, and the most common question is what type of razors should you use? It doesn't matter what kind of razor you use. You can use any one. It doesn't matter if it's cheap or costly. All are the same. Only thing is that your razor should be sharp enough to just remove your hair in one go, because if you have a blunt razor, then it can cause rashes on your skin, so be careful of that. So the second most common query is the hair going to grow thicker? Your hair will grow the same way as it was before, and to tell you, trust me, the growth of my hair has lessened so much than before. I used to have a lot of thick hair, and now after shaving you do not get that much hair you had before. So yeah. So the next question is the hair going to be pokey? So the answer is absolutely no, because when you shave your face, okay, you get rid of the hair, but then you moisturize it every day. So when you moisturize it, your skin becomes soft, and it is not at all pokey, guys. It's not at all pokey. Only here, if you shave here, this hair is a little bit thicker, so it will grow thicker, and you find a little bit of sensation of pokiness over here, but not too much, just a slight one. Same for your legs as well. When you shave your legs, you need to moisturize it properly, otherwise it is going to be pokey. So it's the same everywhere, to your face, to your legs, to your body. It's up to you how you keep your face, your body moisturized, so that it does not feel pokey to you. Okay, so the next question is the final question I want to answer, and that is how often you should shave. So I would just say you can shave once in a week, because I don't think the growth is too fast. But if your hair growth is really fast, then you can shave at least twice a week. I shave one or twice a week. So that was it, guys, for today, and I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I love you all. I will see you in my next video.